Hi everyone. So we are starting this series in order to help our lovely ladies during the various crucial phases of their life. One such crucial phase in life is pregnancy. It's a special phase, I know, because your body is undergoing a beautiful change, but sometimes there can be certain ups and downs during this beautiful phase, and hence where our role comes as an obstetrician and gynecologist to help you, to heal you, and cure you. Hi, I'm Dr. Pankila Mittal, and I am a practicing gynecologist in West Delhi. So, I'll be starting with my favorite topic, which is exercises in pregnancy. So, when a pregnant lady comes to my OPD, सबसे important और सबसे पहला question जो सबका होता है वो होता है कि how to keep my baby safe. So, the simple answer to this is that the baby is very strong. It is something very natural, and superpowers are going to take care of your newborn. What important is कि आप अपना ध्यान रखें and baby is going to be fine. So, अपना ध्यान कैसे रखना है in terms of diet, in terms of exercises, in terms of following your doctor advice, seeing your doctor on regular appointments as told by the doctor, and be happy. Being happy is the key. So if you're happy, you are giving happy hormones to your baby and your baby will be dancing. Okay, so to start with, the first most quite important thing about exercises is, can we really do exercises when you are pregnant? Can we? Alright, so if I have to give a one line answer, then the answer is yes, you can exercise in pregnancy. Okay, so see, pregnancy कोई बीमारी नहीं है, ठीक है? So you are not diseased if you are pregnant. So pregnancy is a simple physiological change which is happening in your body. So yes, बहुत सारे changes आपकी body में होते हैं. When we talk about blood circulation, your hemodynamics, everything is changing. But then it becomes all the more important to be physically active, to embrace those physical changes which are happening rather than being worried about it. Pregnant हो गए हो तो that doesn't mean that you have to go on bed rest. This is still a very common myth that, oh my god, I'm pregnant, I cannot sit down, I cannot go on a ride in a car, I cannot walk on the stairs. Absolutely not. So being pregnant is not equivalent to having a disease. So please ladies, it's a humble request that remain physically active if you are pregnant. Yes, there can be certain conditions in which your doctor would advise against pregnancy, but that is only in 5% of the cases. So I would also touch upon that which are the conditions where exercises should not be done or should be done with caution. So number one is if you've had bleeding in your pregnancy or if any kind of spotting has been there during the first trimester. Number two, if your placenta is the tissue which connects mama and the baby, alright. So if your placenta is low lying, and how do we diagnose this low lying placenta? When we do a scan, we come to know if the placenta is lying close to the mouth of your womb. Alright, if that's the case, yes, it is not advisable to do exercises, alright, and your doctor would advise bed rest. Number three, if your cervix is short in length, if there is a particular length of the cervix, then yes, exercises are not advised because of the fear of preterm labor. Or if you've had history of preterm labors in your previous pregnancy, key exercises कौन से आप कर सकते हो, ठीक है? So what all exercises can be done when you are pregnant? Okay. So number one, it is not same for everybody. Fine. So it depends on your body type, your pre-existing stamina, and what kind of physical activities were you already indulged in before getting pregnant. So, for example, if somebody has been physically active before getting pregnant, they can very well continue being physically active. So, if But yes, if you were not doing any kind of physical activity and then you become pregnant and then you suddenly feel ki, okay, now I'm going to be a superhuman being, that's not true. Okay, so you need to go step by step. You need to build up your stamina first before doing heavy exercises. So when we talk about which exercises can be done, so to begin with, see, walk is the safest exercise. Start walking. If you are not doing any physical activity at the moment, then please start at least with the walk. What I normally suggest my patients is start with 30 minutes walk at least every day, morning, evening, whenever you can find time, and keep increasing it by 5 minutes every week. All right, and then reach a target of 45 minutes, then reach a target of 60 minutes. Also, please practice deep breathing exercises. We really underestimate the power of deep breathing exercises, but they really help. They really help in keeping your hormones in balance. They improve your lung capacity and they really increase your stamina to do exercises. So please concentrate on your deep breathing exercises, which can be Om chanting, which can be Alom Vilom, or could be just inhaling in and exhaling out. Alright. And then number 3 is, apart from walking and deep breathing exercises, you can go for stretching exercises. Stretching exercises are also particularly safe in your first trimester. Now, as your pregnancy would advance, you can increase your exercises and you can also do squats, lunges, butterfly exercises, duck walk to improve your mobility, flexibility, and enhance your chances of having a normal delivery. Okay, now obviously please ask your doctor for a proper advice regarding what exercises can be done in which phase of pregnancy. Shortly we'll be coming with videos specific to your trimester and we'll be guiding you which exercises can be done in which trimester and how you can go about it. Alright, so next thing is, why do we need to do exercise? And so first thing is ki, exercise keeps you healthy. Simple, है ना? Everybody knows it just keeps you healthy, it keeps you happy. And pregnancy में why it is all the more important? Because see, it is not a disease, but still your body is undergoing massive changes. And the blood volume is increasing, your baby is growing. When your baby grows, your lung capacity decreases, so you need to work on your stamina. So by doing exercises, one, you improve your stamina. So you will not feel shortness of breath as much as if you would feel if you are not doing exercises. Number 2, you will be building strength. So you have to carry a baby, you have to carry a baby bump. It's going to be very hard on your back. So if you have exercised enough, then the problems like upper backache, lower backache, difficulties in sleeping, you can keep all these problems at bay. Okay. Number 3rd advantage of doing exercises is, you must have heard that many women develop diabetes in pregnancy or blood pressure problems in pregnancy. Why? And recently we have seen that there has been a rampant increase in the incidence of diabetes in pregnancy. 1, it is because of our eating habits. 2, it is because of the stressful environment we are in. And 3rd, most importantly, it is because of lack of physical activity. So if you do physical activity regularly, you can prevent having diabetes. So exercises becomes all the more important for somebody who's having a higher BMI और जिसकी family में family history हो diabetes की, उनके लिए it's all the more important to do exercises. So किन चीज़ों का you should keep in mind before you're exercising. 1, warm up is very important. So please do a proper warm up before you start exercising. Pregnancy में there are, again, as I said, कि बहुत सारे hormonal changes होते हैं. There's a hormone called as relaxin, which actually relaxes all your ligaments and muscles. So there is more tendency for pregnant women to end up with sprains and strains. So hence warm up becomes very, very important. So do a proper warm up. Your exercises as advised by your doctor, and after doing all these exercises, go for a proper cool down. Alright, make sure that you're wearing comfortable clothes. Your clothes shouldn't be too tight. You should be wearing loose clothing. Pay attention to your footwear. Your footwear should be comfortable and preferably go for shoes so that you're well supported. And 3, you should be exercising on a flat surface. And please be very careful. The only thing which we fear is कि गिरना नहीं है ना. So you should not be doing any exercises where you can fall down. Alright, and you should not be doing exercises which involve a lot of jumping, jerking, or sudden acceleration or deceleration. So you should be doing exercises comfortably. You should know when to stop. If you have pain in your abdomen, or you have a sensation, dragging sensation down below, or if you experience spotting per vaginum, then please stop and do not exercise till the point of exhaustion. Alright, do what is comfortable to you, listen to your body, take your doctor's advice, and summers May, it's very important to keep yourself hydrated. So in between the exercises, keep drinking. Alright, and while exercising, please be careful about the posture in which you are exercising. So there's a proper way of doing sports, there is a proper way of doing lunges. So it's not like कि बस exercise करना है. Exercise has to be done in a proper way so that you don't hurt yourself and the harmful effects of those exercises don't take a toll. Alright, so I hope this video is beneficial to our pregnant women, and please keep exercising, and my patients know how strict I am when it comes to exercises. We really want you to exercise so that we can have a happy mother and baby outcome, and we don't have any complications in pregnancy, and we can increase your chances of having a normal delivery. So happy pregnancy and happy motherhood. Bye bye.